How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing.
Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete.
Let's get started. Open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, you will see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you will find this settings icon, click on it. At the top right you will find this search icon, click on it. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in navigation bar and search for it. Now click on customize the bar. Under navigation bar you will find two sections, available and hidden. Under hidden you might find the option of marketplace. You have to click on the drop down and set it to pin. Once you do that, you will be able to find the marketplace at the bottom over here. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head towards the menu page, scroll down, click on the option help and support, click on report a problem, click on report problem, click on include. Now from here you have to select the option of marketplace. Now over here you have to describe about your issue and then send it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.